Are you done? Come on, Beezy. It's okay. It's okay.
He thinks I'm a bread.
He thinks you're a bread?
Which one do we
Biddy, you like them? Like them ducks?
Okay.
Give them like a half. Ah. They're going to get you from behind, Beezy. They're going to get you from behind.
Throw it. You gotta throw it.
Hurry up, pick off some pieces. Is he coming for you, Alyssa?
You're gonna get it. Walk away, Paige. Walk through him. Just walk through him. Kick him.
Don't kick him. No, don't kick him, Biddy.
Hold your breath.
Beezy, throw the bread, Beez. Biddy, throw your piece.
That's my mama. Ready?
Throw it.
Now watch, Beezy. As long as you got it in,
just wing
you
it,
can't.
throw it. Who taught it?
I have no bread, little ducky.
We're almost out of bread because you guys are giving them the whole piece. We're out of bread.
I told you 4 pieces.
Hey, here. He ain't doing nothing.
Oh, he picked him in the back. Don't kick him.
Don't, because they'll grab hold of that finger.
Shoot!